Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the iPhone 12 mini mobile phone. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then undo two bottom screws by using pentalobe screwdriver. To take out the screen, first apply heat to soften the glue on the screen. For this, we are using a heating pad. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. And then to lift the screen, need a good suction cup or something similar. In here, we are using double-sided suction cup to lift the front assembly. If not, you can use a regular suction cup to raise the screen and a plastic upright tool or triangular picker for separation and loosen up rubber gaskets on the frame. Lift the screen, keep the direction like opening a book, and then remove the screw to take out the shield, and then undo the battery plug. Next, on top, undo 5 screws and take out the shield, and then disconnect the screen and the earpiece assembly plug. Now the LCD assembly unit can leave from the body. Next, to remove the not working rear camera, take off the shield by undoing 3 screws, and then disconnect 2 connector plugs to take out the camera. Next, take out the front face camera by disconnecting 3 connector plugs. Next, replace the required broken camera with a new unit and place it on the board. Place the front camera by clicking 3 connector plugs, and then secure the rear camera by connecting 2 plugs and the shield with screws. Next, if possible, it is good to place the frame adhesive into the frame. Next, place the front screen to the body. Connect the earpiece assembly, LCD connector and battery plugs to the board. And also make sure to place the shields by adding screws. Next, to clamp up the iPhone, click in the top section first, then simultaneously click sides and the bottom. Just make sure to put pressure on the frame sides. Next, insert the SIM tray and then secure 2 screws in the bottom. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.